Hello skaters! In this video, we are going to create a footwork sequence for beginner skaters using forward, outside, 3 turns and various steps. I will show you how to build a beautiful step sequence from scratch by using simple moves and connecting them with grace and ease. We will work on each element separately and then put them all together. Let's get started. Our first exercise will be the forward outside 3 turn done on half circles while alternating feet. There are a couple of things to remember when working on the forward outside 3 turn. Remember that the 3 turn is executed by bending your knees and ankles before the turn, slightly straightening them during the turn, and bending again after the turn. Many skaters make the mistake of overusing their arms and upper body, which creates a very spinny and uncontrolled 3 turn. Start with a forward outside glide, holding the same arm as the skating leg in front of you. Bend your knee and ankle as you glide into the 3 turn. Rotate your upper body into the circle until you reach T position with your shoulders and hips, keeping your arms as still as possible. At the top of the 3 turn, slightly straighten the ankle of your skating leg. Then turn your hips one way and your shoulders the other way at the same time and check your free side after the turn while gliding on a backward inside edge. Your free leg should stay extended throughout the 3 turn, but as you transition from one foot to the other, bring it closer to the skating leg and bend both legs for better balance and upper body control during transition. Repeat this sequence across the ring. Make sure your 3 turn is placed right at the top of the circle and switch feet on the axis. The second element of our footwork is the side toe hop. We are going to do it starting from a backward crossover, pushing into backward outside edge, and reaching back with your free leg. Tap sideways, land on the opposite toe, and then push forward into a glide on a forward outside edge with your free side extended behind you. Next, we will try the same movement in the opposite direction. Be sure to keep your hips and shoulders aligned during the side toe hop, arms stretched to the side, and your upper body facing the outside of the circle. For more in-depth tutorials and detailed step-by-step instructions on basic steps, turns, and other exercises, be sure to check out my video course Figure Skating Foundations on my website styleskating.com. It is perfect for skaters who want to build strong fundamentals as well as for advanced skaters looking to refine their basic skills. If you have any questions about the course, feel free to email me anytime. I'll be happy to help. Our third exercise in the step sequence is the forward chassé, which we will do around the perimeter of the ice. Begin by bending your skating knee and ankle and extending your free leg on the first push as you glide on a forward outside edge. As you transition to a forward inside edge, bring your free leg closer to your skating knee. Then push again into forward outside edge and glide with extension. Keep your shoulders twisted into the circle with your arms extended. At the end of the half circle, swing your free leg through, then step onto the other leg and repeat in the opposite direction. Push, extend, step onto the inside edge, bend your free leg closer to your skating leg, and push again into forward outside edge with your free leg extended and ready to swing through into a new circle. Exercise number 4 is forward cross rolls. Again, pay close attention to your knees and ankles. Keep them bent. Maintain a still upper body with your arms stretched to the side. Draw a half circle by working with your skating leg and turning your hips in the same direction as your skating foot. Bring your feet closer together before crossing. Bend your knees and ankles and push with your outside edge as you step onto your new skating leg. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Also, be sure to check the description below for details about my YouTube membership options, where you can reach out to me directly with your skating questions and even request a personalized video on demand featuring the skating exercises of your choice. Now let's get back to our exercises. Exercise number 5 is the forward outside 3-step Mohawk. During this exercise, keep your upper body as still as possible with your arms stretched to the side. Focus on using your legs and hips to execute the 3-step Mohawk. Start by stepping onto a forward outside edge, extending your free leg behind. As you transition, turn out your feet and open your hips while bending your knees and ankles, bringing your feet closer together. Then step onto the backward outside edge of the other foot and cross over with the first foot to glide on the backward inside edge. Bring your feet closer together again to transition into the Mohawk from the other foot. Repeat this sequence back to back. Be sure to avoid excessive movements of the arms and upper body for better balance and control. Exercise number 6 is rotational toe steps, with a cross in front before and after each toe step. Start by reaching back while gliding on a backward inside edge. Rotate your upper body in the direction of your movement, tap the ice with one foot, rotate, then step onto the other foot. After the third toe step, glide on the backward outside edge and cross the other foot in front, continue to glide on the backward inside edge. Push with another cross in front to begin the movement in the opposite direction. As you perform these steps, make sure to reach with a straight free leg backward before the toe step and glide with your knee and ankle bent on your skating leg. Then rise slightly during the toe steps for better control and style. A variation of this exercise, which offers an easier transition, involves a toe step, 2-foot transition, and backward crossover. After the toe step, glide on the inside edge of one foot, then push with that foot to transition into a backward inside edge on the other foot. This sets you up to start the crossover on the new circle and execute the next toe step from the opposite leg. Now that you have learned all 6 exercises with steps and turns in this combination, we are going to put everything together. We'll perform each step in both directions to develop strong skating skills on both sides. Start with a forward outside chassé on a half circle, then repeat the chassé on the other foot. After that, step into a cross roll around the next half circle, then perform a second cross roll on the other foot. Now go into a forward outside 3-turn, followed immediately by a side toe hop. Switch circles and repeat the 3-turn and side toe hop with the opposite leg. From there, push into the forward outside 3-step Mohawk on one foot, then repeat it on the other foot. After completing the Mohawks, push into a 2-foot transition, execute a backward crossover, and go into the toe steps. Then push into another 2-foot transition, do a backward crossover in the opposite direction, and finish with the toe steps in the opposite direction. To complete the sequence, finish with a landing position with nice extension and flow. You have just completed a comprehensive step sequence that covers a variety of essential skating exercises. By practicing each element, you will build a solid foundation for your skating, improve your control, and develop more fluid and graceful movements on the ice. Remember, consistency is key, so keep practicing these exercises in both directions to develop your balance, strength, and technique. All the steps and turns, along with preparation exercises, common mistakes, and the ways to fix them, can be found in my video course Figure Skating Foundations on my website. Check the description below for more details. Sign up and join our fast-growing style skating community. Keep skating, and I'll see you in the next video.